Namaste, welcome. This video is going to be about how to modify lunges for if you have knee problems. If it feels painful to you to put the weight on the knee for lunges, there's some little things that you can do so that you can still do the lunges. So I'm going to show you a couple of options. So normally when we do lunges, we've got a blanket or something under the knees cushioning it. So if that's not enough for you, you could take your knees forward to the front of the blanket so that the kneecap itself is just a little bit off the edge. And for some people that's enough so that they don't have weight on the knees. And you could just do it that way. Okay, so that's one option. Another option is something a little bit higher. So I'm using a bolster here. This is a pretty high bolster. You could have a lower bolster or a few more blankets just to give yourself a little bit more height, and it's and a little bit more cushioning. And it's that same concept. And now, of course, your blocks are a little bit lower down. So you might want to get a second set of blocks for this. But again, now we've got the knee forward, and you can have your knee off of that support or on it if that is enough for you. Okay, so that's option 2, how to modify for the lunges. So the third option, we're going to use a chair. And so if you use a chair, you won't need these things. And you're going to put your chair with the chair sideways on your mat so that you want a chair with a back. And instead of on your knee, you're going to be on your back foot. So we're doing the lunges with the right knee bent here, left foot back, and you just put your hand on the back of the chair. You could put a block here for the other hand, just a little more stability. Okay, and then the way you're going to step your foot is back a little bit. So it's like you're still kind of leaning forward so you can get that lunge stretched in. And then you would just shift the hips like that. Or you could do your half split like that. Okay? And of course, you can also do the other side. So you would either flip your chair or just walk over to the other side of the mat. So I'm going to flip the chair here. So that your back of your chair is next to the foot that you have up on the seat. And again, we want to take that back foot back a little bit so that there is a bit of an angle with the back leg. And you've got room to do things like shifting and half split, or just having the foot down and moving from there as we move through the lunge. Okay, so the modification of the chair is completely weight off your knee. And you can link to the video for lunges to see how to do the lunge and use one of these modifications. Namaste, thank you.